Wow, that's perfect. Can you believe this crispy egg was made without any frying? Yes, this egg was made using an air fryer, and you'll be even more surprised that with just this air fryer, you can make 4 delicious egg dishes. In today's video, I'll show you how to make each one. Come into the kitchen with me. First is a sunny side up egg, made in the air fryer, simple yet delicious. First, take out the tray or grill rack and lightly spray a thin layer of oil onto the surface. This helps prevent sticking and gives the egg a nice finish. Then gently crack the egg directly onto the tray. There's no need for parchment paper or any additional tools, which makes this method very convenient. Once the egg is in place, slide the tray back into the air fryer. Set the temperature to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, about 160 degrees Celsius, and cook for around 6 to 7 minutes. Since each air fryer can be a little different, it's best to check the egg after about 6 minutes and adjust the time according to your preference. When done, you'll see the egg white fully set while the yolk remains soft and slightly runny. The texture looks really wonderful. You can enjoy this dish as it is, or serve it with a slice of warm bread, roasted potatoes, or even a light salad. This is an easy, delicious dish that fits perfectly into any meal of the day. Next, let's move on to a fun and visually beautiful recipe that feels a little special: the cloud egg. First, separate the egg white from the yolk. Place the egg white into a bowl or a tall cup and add a little salt. Then use a whisk or a hand mixer to beat it until it becomes fluffy light and forms soft peaks. This step creates the airy texture of the dish. Next, gently shape the whipped egg white onto the air fryer tray into a small mound, almost like a soft cloud. Using the back of a whisk, make a small indentation in the center, then place the yolk into it. Once ready, place the tray into the air fryer and cook at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, about 160 degrees Celsius, for around 7 minutes. The egg white will turn lightly golden while remaining soft and fluffy. In another version, if you prefer a runnier yolk, there's a simple tip. You can cook just the egg white first for about 5 minutes. Then take it out, add the yolk, and cook for a few more minutes. This helps you better control the softness of the yolk. When finished, you'll have a light, fluffy egg that looks like a small cloud with a soft, slightly runny yolk that feels moist and delicate. It's soft, gentle, and very eye-catching. This is a wonderful choice for a cozy breakfast, or even for special occasions like Easter when you want something simple but a little different. Wait, the next one is completely different, and it's perfect for serving guests. Let's make delicious soft egg cups, perfect as an appetizer for small family gatherings. First, prepare a few small heat-resistant molds and lightly grease them so the food doesn't stick. Then line each mold with slices of bacon or ham, or even a few slices of bread. After that, gently press them down to shape the mold. Next, you can sprinkle a little shredded cheese to add richness and a melted texture to this egg dish. Then carefully crack 1 egg into each cup. Try to keep the yolk in the center, so the eggs look more appealing after cooking. Place the cups into the air fryer and cook at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, about 160 degrees Celsius for around 10 to 11.5 minutes. You can adjust the time depending on how you like your eggs. A shorter time will give you a soft, slightly runny yolk, while a little longer will make the yolk more set. When done, take them out and let them cool for a moment, then gently remove them from the molds. You will have cute little egg cups shaped by the flavorful bacon, making them very appealing. The combination of the egg inside and the outer layer creates a richer and more savory taste. Serve them with a plate of fresh green salad, and you'll have a simple, delicious, and rich dish that works perfectly as a nutritious appetizer. Finally is a very fun and delicious dish: crispy breaded eggs, made right in the air fryer. First, you need to cook the eggs, but instead of boiling them the usual way, simply place 4 eggs into the air fryer at 160 degrees Celsius for about 8 minutes, so the eggs are softly cooked with a slightly runny center. After cooking for the right amount of time, place the eggs into cold water to cool, then gently peel off the shells. Be careful at this step because the eggs are still soft. Next, prepare the coating by getting a bowl of flour. In another bowl, crack 1 egg and beat it well. Finally, prepare a bowl of breadcrumbs. Now take each peeled egg, roll it in the flour first, then dip it into the beaten egg, and finally coat it evenly with the breadcrumbs. These layers help create a crispy outer crust. Once all the eggs are evenly coated, place them into the air fryer. Set the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, about 180 degrees Celsius, and cook for about 5 to 9 minutes depending on how crispy you like them. It's best to check the eggs halfway through and adjust the time if needed. When done carefully, take them out. You'll see a golden crispy exterior while the inside remains soft and delicious. When cut in half, you'll clearly see the light, crispy coating on the outside and the warm, slightly runny yolk inside. This dish is simple, comforting, and truly delicious. And those are 4 delicious egg recipes made with an air fryer. Each recipe brings its own flavorful and soft, enjoyable texture. I hope these ideas help you discover more ways to cook eggs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple cooking tips. I'd also love to know which recipe you'll try first. See you in the next video.